What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu here. What is that? 12 packs? 12 packs of what? Swiffer. Swiffer something. All right, cool. Let's dive into it because this one popped out on my Amazon homepage and I knew I had to do this. There's a lot. And I didn't really look at the listing. I just looked at the top half of it. So from the hero image, it's not 12 packs. It's 12 pieces. One of them is not a pack. 12 of them is a piece, 12 pieces. So the wording there needs to be really, really clear. But also, what is it? So some folks might think they're getting this as well with it because it's not really clear on what it is. So 12 pieces, you should have some packaging behind here that says exactly what it says here. Disposable power mop pad refills, 12 pieces, good for blah, 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 all that kind of good stuff. That's what's going to help your main hero image because it's just not clear. It's not 12 packs, it's 12 pieces, and we need some sort of CTR keywording on the packaging. Now, let's hop into the image stack. So compatible with Swiffer Power Mop, Multi-Surface Mop, Wood Mop, Multi-Surface Mop. Wait, what? Compatible with Swiffer Power Mop, Multi-Surface Mop. So it says Multi-Surface Mop. But is it also compatible with the Wood Mop? Am I looking at the wrong thing here? Now, can I use this if I just have a regular Swiffer or any other application? I think there's other kind of things like this. But again, I could be wrong. Product detail. Well, don't call it that. Don't say product detail. This is your time to shine. Say something compelling or powerful about the product. Microfiber pad with super cleaning power. Double wrapping, strong sewing edge. That's a feature, not a benefit. So what does that mean? When I use it on the floor, it's not going to tear. It's not going to come off. Extended service life, separated line sewing. I don't know what any of this stuff means. Just tell me how it's good quality. If it's made a certain way, why does extended service life? That's just a weird way to put it. And what's the super cleaning power inside of it? So it's really not telling me much of anything. And then just showing me the pads again. Hundreds of cleaning strips, 5X. Well, I'm so confused now. So it's 12 of them. It's a 12 pack, but it has hundreds of cleaning strips inside of there. Okay. But then what's 5X? I don't know. It's so far I'm not seeing someone using them in cleaning. Our pad fibers are very fluffy. The slight difference is that the curved structure is more fluffy and easy to expand, bringing a cleaner experience. You want to say us and them so people know very clearly. So it's 12 pack and it's 12 layers. A lot of 12s here. Go play the lotto, folks. So 12, is it really this many layers? I guess because it's all frayed like that. Okay, so it's 2 more layers. But what does that look like when I'm actually using it on the floor? So this is interesting, but it's not compelling. So show me what that looks like if I'm brushing a dusty floor with yours versus the competitor. Does yours pick up more dirt? Like you're just hammering home on the features, not the benefits. All right, so we got someone cleaning a floor. Value mop replacement head. I hate the word value. It just reminds me of Costco and savings, which I guess is what you want. But what is a typical cost for 12 of these from the Swiffer company directly, right? That's more powerful than value mop replacement head. What does that typically cost as an OEM or the original manufacturer versus how much yours costs? That's the compelling thing that we're talking about. Marble, tile, laminate, wood, cement. I can't imagine someone's using these on cement. That's wild, but maybe. Hundreds of powerful scrubbing strips, but they all pretty much have that. 10 absorbent layers, trap. There's a typo there. 10 absorbent layers, trap and lock tough messes. You got to fix that. But I thought it was 12 layers. I'm pretty sure over here we're saying it's 12 layers. And you're saying it's not good to have 10 layers. But we're saying 10 here. Already as a customer, I'm confused. Also, she's not really sweeping up anything messy. So I really want to see the before and after. Okay, so whoa. So we have 12p disposable purple, 16p reusable purple. I guess that's if you want to wash them and stuff like that. I'm not going to get into that listing. It's wild as it is. In the bullet points over here, you're doing this kind of stuff. Don't do this. No one's reading them anyway. Use this space for organic SEO and indexing. Stop with the word value. Just tell people why. What is the value? The value is spending $18 on 12, where if I went to Swiffer to buy them, well, actually, you know what? Let's take a look. Let me go here for Swiffer. Let me go to Google and let me type in Swiffer Power Mop Replacement Pads. Let me just see what those cost. All right, Quill. Let's take a look at Quill. We're going off the tangent here. So typically, 5 of them is $10. That's what it looks like. 5 of the OEM ones, even at Target, they're $10. So knowing that, if 5 of them are $10, 10 of them would be $20. So you're already a value. So that's what you need to be saying instead of value. Show people what the value is. Amazon, why are you putting brand story modules in the bottom? Hey, we don't even have one here. There you go. A+ content. Lock toughest dirt and super absorbs. That's not English. What? Lock toughest dirt and super absorbs. Nope, we don't want to say that kind of stuff. You want to say traps tough dirt and absorbs liquid messes, something like that. No shot that you're, my mind is going crazy right now. You're pulling the mop backwards, not pushing it forwards, because if you're pushing it forwards, the clean stuff would be behind you. But then you're saying spraying the stuff out over here, which doesn't make sense because you just clean the area with no spray and then you're leaving spray behind that's not getting mopped up. It's backwards. I like the fact that we're showing it being used. Make it make sense, folks. Also, do you know, you don't know that that's the scent. You're selling the pad, so I wouldn't put this kind of stuff over here. So I don't like these kind of things. This reminds me of like tampon or diaper commercials with absorbing water. Sorry, it just does. Just show me what it looks like on the floor with a spill. Like every infomercial does, like grape juice or something like that on the floor. Microfiber, spelled either the wrong way or the UK way. Either way you want to fix it. Self-adhesive design on the back. So that's actually hook and loop. You don't call it Velcro, it's hook and loop. That's kind of what you'd want to say. So it is 12 layers, but these are just features, not benefits. So fluff, align it for, align the mop and mop head for pasting. Press the mop pad by hand. Okay. All floor types match. This listing, I didn't even look at the seller of this product. I'm 1000% sure this is not a US seller. So I'm always tempted to like, do I want to help China Direct with their stuff? I don't know. And what do you know? If you're a seller in the US and you're doing this kind of stuff, there's no happy smiling face. There's no what the mess looks like before and after. There's no, the added value is the fact that you're saving money by not buying the OEM one, and we're just as good. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. So like the Swiffer brand. I thought this was going to be a fun one. It's not so fun. Let's take a look at the alt text over here. Power mop pads, power mop refills, mop. Yeah, they're not doing alt text. Not a shocker there. Or not doing good, rather. But I did run a quick PickFu on this. So let's take a look. So I ran an open-ended one over here. It's not done running. They're still answering it. If you were shopping on Amazon for Swiffer style cleaning replacements, would you purchase from this listing? If not, why? I threw the URL in here. No, Amazon shows the real deal is available for less. Really? Well, I got to go and see it now. Swiffer power mop refills. Oh, snap. They're not right. They are right. I mean, they're giving 12. The OEM brand is giving 11, but at 10 cents cheaper. So, someone's a little savvy with that. No, for me, this is a money trap. The price is far from reasonable. Yes, I would buy. I'm familiar with Swiffer, and I know the pads last a long time. I'm not sure of these pads. I would try them. I think the mop pads for that price is a phenomenal price. So you can see someone over here is savvy shopping. So this is 35 to 44-year-old male, Hispanic, 35 to 75K. And the person that's saying they think it's a phenomenal price is 65 plus female, white, 0 to 35K. So potentially an older person that isn't looking too much on what else is out there is thinking that's okay. Is that really the avatar? I don't know. I would consider purchasing a similar quality brand. Yes, the generic sweepers are much cheaper than the name brand because I know because I use them. No, I would rather purchase actual Swiffer. So you can see over here, the person who wants to purchase Swiffer is 18 to 24-year-old male, white, 75 to 150K. So you see the income, or the income is interesting. Folks with higher income prefer the OEM one. folks with lower income are okay with the generic ones. Why is that good information to know? It's good information to know is because if that's the demographic and they're looking to save money because they don't have high income, then you really want to talk about the value. I didn't know that. Well, we got 3 more responses here. Let's take a look. Okay, I would consider images are clear. The reviews seem positive. However, I'd like to see more details on compatibility with different models. Exactly. That's what I said. If it fits other ones as well. 12-pack offers, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. You see what I had said was different models because these are only 2, and I'm sure it fits other ones as well. So that's important from the data. The people with lower income that want cost savings, they're okay with it, but you're not telling them why. You're not really tripling down on the value here. So I would do that. That's definitely something I would want to do. But guys, listen, if you're like, cool, what was the name of this company? Van Mel. Let me go with the original name. Shout out in the comments if you could pronounce this. But if you were this company and you said, hey, we don't want to do this stuff, John. We don't want to do the polling. We don't have any time. We got to sling a whole bunch of other stuff on Amazon. What do we do? PickFu's got you covered. We have our done for you service. You submit your ASIN, you submit your keyword that you're trying to rank for, and we'll look up your competitors, or if you send them over to us, we run all the polls for you. We do all the creative design in-house with our CTR designers, and we deliver you the final winning result to increase your CTR, get you more sales, more money, more pizza, happy life. But that is it for today, guys. We will see you tomorrow for another one. I know I've been a little bit, side note, New York City has possibly the worst internet in the entire world. I have Fios, super mega high Fios. It goes in and out. I purchased a backup AT&T Air internet and I switched to that, and that still goes in and out too. I don't know. Drop a comment if I should get Starlink. Is Starlink better? I don't really know. Drop your ASIN below if you want us to review it on the Daily ASIN Teardown. Until next time, we'll see you on the Flippy Floppy.